Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how the company management feature works in Hyluminix HRMS and how you can use it to set up your organization structure. Inside this company management module, four main submodules are given: company, branch, department, and post. First of all, let's talk about the company submodule. Here you can easily set up the profile of any new company. You just have to fill the required data like company name, owner, address, email ID, phone number, and other necessary details. And after that, just click on the Update Company button. After this comes the branch submodule. Here on the dashboard, you can see the complete branch list of the company with details like branch name, address, phone number, etc. Above the branch list, a filter bar is also given, from where you can easily filter the branch list through branch name and per page options. And if you want to add any new branch, then by clicking on the Add Branch button given above and filling the required data, you can easily create a new branch. After this is the Department submodule. In this submodule, you can see the list of all the departments of the company with details like department name, department head, total employees, address, phone number, etc. To make it easier, a filter bar is given above, from which you can filter the list using branch name, department name, and per page. And to create a new department, just click on the Add Department button and fill the required details. And finally comes the Post submodule. Here, you can check the list of all the posts coming inside the company, with details like post name, department, total employees, and assigned employees. Like other modules, here also there is an advanced filter bar, from which you can filter data on the basis of branch name, department name, and post name. And to add any new post in the system, you can simply click on the Add Post button and fill the data to add a new post. After the company management, there is shift management. This is where we manage the work schedules for every employee. You can easily assign day or night shifts and set specific opening and closing times for each staff member. Within this module, there is an office time submodule where you can view the complete list of office schedules with details like opening time, closing time, the employee shift, category, and their status. By using the Add Office Time button in the top right corner, you can manually create and add new office shifts in the system.